Hi, I want to show you 5 easy fixes you can do yourself for your Porsche 928. Broken speaker ring. A non-return blinker. If your shifter turns like this, it's broken down there. Temperature sensor cap. Broken or faded lamp frame. I will show you how we fix the 5 problems with our parts. We replaced both speaker rings. We replaced the blinker return. Shifter is now firm. Here you can see our product, and it's got a longer screw as original. We glued in a sensor cap cover. The lamp frame is held in place by only 2 screws, and this is how it looks with our new part. Hi, my name is Henk from 928-944parts.com. In our workshop we daily work on the Porsches 928 and 944. During our work we are confronted with parts that need replacement but are no longer available from Porsche. So we started redesigning these parts on our own. And we also have engineered repair kits for expensive broken parts that you can replace yourself. Thanks for watching and have a nice ride.